Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Fan Handyman here once again, and today we're going to be doing a video of my Power Force Compact Bissell vacuum cleaner here. I think I got this vacuum cleaner sometime last year. Maybe I've had it for maybe about a year now, and as you can tell, it looks a little dirty. It's definitely I've definitely gotten some use out of it. Considering that a majority of the house is hardwood floors, they still prove useful on hardwood floors. And you look at the rug here in the living room, it does appear to be pretty dirty. You can see those specks of dirt there in the floor. And we're gonna use this on the rug today to clean it. I guess I'll just go over the features of it, and then I'll use it. But this is a Power Force compact vacuum cleaner, and it has the tools to it. It has the end hose to it, and of course here's the brush. These work pretty good on couches and blinds and whatnot. From what I've seen on the box, and sometimes you can't always believe everything you see in the box, but I do believe that you can get an extension for these hoses. It's not, the range on it really isn't all that great. Try to get it undone here. Cord on it really isn't all that long. It probably extends maybe like 4 feet. And of course, those are the pieces that go to it. And it does have the power cord to it. It does not however have a fuse. And here's the container for collecting the dirt and the dust and whatnot. It's been a while since I've cleaned it. One of these days, I'll even make a video of me cleaning it. But anyhow, as the vacuum is running, it pulls the dirt and the dander whatnot through the ventilation here, and then it comes up into the container. Let's have a look at the bottom of it. Okay, so there's the sweeper. There is the caution on the bottom. Pretty sure that we all understand that. There's the back of it, of course, and there is the foot switch, the pedal switch. And I'm guessing with the majority of the electronic appliances today, more than likely it was made in China. Alright, I guess we'll go ahead and plug this thing in and we'll see it in action. Another interesting feature about this too, by the way, before I start it up, you pull back this tab and the handle comes out, and you can use these like for working on other surfaces like couches and beds and stuff like that. I'm not exactly sure if you could use them on a bed, but yeah, just thought I'd show that to you really quick. Get this couch here. Okay, now we can get started. Alright, I think that looks a lot better. Nice clean rug. One of these days when I get around to it, I'll make another video of the vacuum cleaner, of maybe me cleaning it, or doing another video of it like a car clean or something like that. So, well, I hope that you've enjoyed the video, everybody, and more videos to come. Put in a like and a comment, and hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.